So today I'm going to show you how to use that micropipette. So you can see that this is the micropipette pillar, and how much volume you need. So I need 125, so I set that 125 by that, and then I'm going to put a tip on the edge. So you can see like pushing hard 1-2 times to tap it, and then you are set to go. And then you need to hold the sample by on your hand, and there is two part. Push one and take the sample, then you can see. And whenever you need to eject the solution, go all down and push it 2-3 times, and you are done. So at the end you need to eject that tip by pressing that part. So you can see I'm holding by one hand, but you don't need to do that. So you can discard it on the trash like that. Okay, so throw that, and thank you.